Hello, I'm Regenia Rawlinson, and I am thrilled to have you here today. I'd love for you to visit my website at www.villagec.com and connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at 7 of 17. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my latest content. Thank you for your support. This video today is about self-compassion, learning to be kind to yourself. In a world that often prioritizes achievement and perfection, it's easy to become our own harshest critics. Self-compassion, popularized by psychologist Dr. Kristin Neff, offers a powerful antidote to the cycle of self-judgment. It involves treating yourself with the same kindness, understanding, and care you'd offer a friend, and it consists of 3 core components: self-kindness, replacing criticism with warmth; common humanity, recognizing that everyone struggles; and mindfulness, observing emotions without over-identifying with them. Research shows that self-compassion reduces stress, improves mental health, enhances resilience, and fosters healthier relationships, debunking the myth that self-criticism is necessary for growth. Cultivating self-compassion takes practice, however. Start by speaking to yourself as you would to a friend, acknowledging your shared humanity and observing negative thoughts without judgment. Writing self-compassion letters using mantras like "I am doing my best" and seeking support from therapists or groups can also help. Overcoming barriers such as perfectionism or discomfort with self-kindness is key. Challenge self-critical thoughts and start with small acts of self-care. Self-compassion isn't selfish. It's a radical act of self-love that creates a ripple effect, improving your relationships and overall well-being. By embracing self-compassion, you remind yourself that you are worthy of kindness simply because you exist. So the next time self-criticism arises, pause, breathe, and offer yourself the compassion you deserve. Self-compassion. Learn to be kind to yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at 7 of 17. If you enjoy my content, consider joining me as a member on Patreon for exclusive content starting March 14, 2025. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.